What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. Just wanted to drop in with you guys and give you some quick tips on credit. I know most people want to get into real estate investing, and although you can creatively pull off some great real estate deals without having or using your credit, you are limited as to what you can do if you don't have good credit. So one of the ways that you can actually increase your credit is if, say you're a person, maybe you're just getting out of high school or college and you haven't established any credit, or maybe you're an older person, you just never really even decided to even establish credit. One of the quickest ways to improve your credit is by becoming an authorized user on somebody's credit card who is in good standing with their current credit card account. So the key with that is to make sure the person is under a 30% balance, 30% utilization of their current balance on their credit card. Because if you go over 30%, most credit bureaus consider that to be maxed out, which can actually harm your credit. But the point is that when you become an authorized user on somebody else's account, all the good credit history that person has had on their current credit card account is technically viewed as your credit history or your credit profile. So it will reflect good payment history and good credit utilization, which is the majority of the components that make up your overall credit score. So you can improve your credit score by, pretty significant numbers just by using that simple tip. So that's all I really wanted to leave you guys with today. If you have any other questions regarding credit or real estate investing in general, definitely give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.